Namaste and welcome to Pregnancy Journey Blueprint course. Thank you very much for investing your time and energy in deciding to watch this wonderful course. This would be highly valuable course during your journey towards your motherhood. I have only one request to make, dear wonderful mother or caring father. The only request what I have is please watch this video at a stretch. I repeat, please watch this video in one sitting or one go. Because lot of people go to temple to get the grace of Lord to become pregnant. Couple of them will go to doctors and get medication and become pregnant. And nowadays, plenty of them become pregnant by getting hormones injected to their body. I don't know how you have conceived, but I would like to congratulate on your pregnancy from the core of my heart. After becoming pregnant, every pregnant mother has two options. Listen to these options very, very carefully. Option 1, you can give birth to an ordinary child. If you give birth to an ordinary child, you might have to take care of your child till the end of your breath, till the end of your life. Okay? On the other hand, if you give birth to an extraordinary child, your child will take care of you, your society, and country at large. Now, both the options are available with you. Which one do you choose is in your hand. Dear wonderful mother or caring father, I am not here to talk about the food you have to take or you have to do these kind of exercises. In this trimester, you have to do these things. No, I am not here to talk about those things which are already available on Google and YouTube. And let me tell you one more thing, your doctors would be the best person to advise you based on your body condition. I would like to share the information which is hard to find on Google or YouTube. This is a welcome video and I want to share what you are going to learn in this video course. Apart from this video, you have another 3 videos coming to you. In the first video, you will understand why we should give birth to a child. Giving birth to a child is not a simple process. You should understand the science behind it, significance of giving birth to a child. In the same video, I'll also be talking about why that medical device which gave you the confirmation that you're pregnant had 2 lines on it. It would have had a lot of other things, but it had 2 lines on it. What does it mean? That we are going to discuss in the next video. In the second video, I'll be talking about the growth of your child in the womb. When people get to know about that statistics, they'll be flabbergasted. Most of them, they will change their thought process. Most of them, they will start doing a lot of things to make their pregnancy precious and unborn child genius after watching that video. In the same video, I'll also talk about the definition of Garbha Sanskara according to Garbhopanishad. In third video, I will be talking about something miraculous thing. How does the child inside your womb receives the information? I repeat, how does the child in your womb receives the information? We are going to discuss about that. In the same video, I will also talk every child born on this planet Earth will get 4 samskaras. I repeat, 4 samskaras. How will that child get the 4 samskaras and which are those 4 samskaras? I'll be talking about in the third video. Last video, I would like to invite you for my free masterclass where you can interact with me, where you can ask a lot of doubts, where a lot of things will be clarified in that masterclass which I'll be conducting on Sunday morning at 11 o'clock. The journey towards motherhood might be very exciting for you and your spouse. However, I have a concern for you. My concern is for you. I repeat, I have a concern and that concern is for you. There are only few pregnants who have finished this course in one sitting, because I know you are as excited as any other pregnant would be to know more, learn more, and make your pregnancy precious. Starting something is very, very easy, and quitting that thing is even more easy. To take it to the finish line by completing the task is the hardest thing to do. I hope if you're still watching this video, you will take it to the finish line. Most of them, when they become pregnant, they would browse for a lot of videos on YouTube, a lot of information on Google. They will go and read a lot of things on the blogs. But my wife and I did not do that. We surrendered ourselves to one mentor. I repeat, we surrendered ourselves to one mentor and followed his guidelines. And it resulted in making our pregnancy precious and our unborn child genius. When my children were just 1 year young, they were able to read more than 4 languages. My son, when he was in second standard, he memorized 365 pages medical book with the page number and the content. I'll show that video for your proof. Before we even get into this next video, let me tell you, your journey towards motherhood will be fruitful and enjoyable only and only if you have the mindset to finish things. I repeat, your journey towards motherhood will be fruitful and enjoyable only if you are in the mindset to finish things. My concern is only for you, dear wonderful mother. I want you to enjoy your pregnancy and birth an extraordinary child who will make this world a beautiful place to live. I really appreciate your patience. See you in the next video. Namaste.